Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 2 English textbook, workbook and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 7, Caterpillars. Our topic is singular, plural nouns and past tense. SLOs of this lesson are: identify and change the number of simple naming words by adding or removing S and ES. Recognize and learn the use of past tense. I hope you are familiar with the concept of singular and plural noun. Singular noun indicates to one person or item, thing, and plural to more than one. सिंगुलर हमें बताता है कि कोई पर्सन या थिंग या आइटम क्या है, वन है. A book, a pencil, a chair, an orange. And the plural indicates to more than one. प्लूरल हमें क्या बताता है कि नाउन एक से ज्यादा है, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, and etc. And what plural tells us? That nouns are more than one. इसके 1, 2, 3, 4 and many more. In our previous lesson, we have discussed how to make the singular and plural noun. If a singular noun is a table, it's a one table. How we will make it a plural? Yes, by adding S. Chair is a singular. We'll add S and make it plural. It can be 2 tables, 3 chairs. But if we say a table, it will be a singular noun. A chair. A with the consonant. See, the chair is starting with the consonant sound. And with the vowel. And orange. And umbrella. To indicate that the noun is singular. And these are plural nouns. Today we will discuss how to make those singular nouns which have F at the end. See the letter F, wolf, calf, scarf and leaf. How we will make it plural? By simply add S? No, this is wrong. Let me tell you how. This is the rule. When a noun ends with F or FE, we change it to VES. Like this one. Wolf. What we will do, we will make it plural by adding VES and we will remove F from the wolf. Wolf क्या है? एक सिंगुलर नाउन है, एक वुल्फ है. यहाँ पर हम जब इसको प्लूरल बनाएंगे तो F को रिमूव करके VES लगा देंगे. इसी तरह वाइफ, ये इसमें E भी है तो इसी तरह आएगा वाइफ्स, F को और हटा देंगे और V और S लगा देंगे, वाइफ्स. और इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी चेंज होगी. वुल्फ होगा तो ये वुल्व्स होगा, वाइफ, वाइव्स. लीफ, यस, लीव्स. सी स्पेलिंग ऑफ लीव्स totally different. Only these 3 letters are the same and after that totally different. VES, we have added VES here. Knife, knives. So simple is that. That's how we will change it. So this is your exercise. Wolf will be changed into, yes, wolves. Calf, calves. Scarf, scarves. Leaf, leaves. We will remove S and add VES at the end. Loof, loofs. Elf, elves. Elf कहते हैं बोने को. Knife, knives. Shelf, shelves. Now we will discuss the second SLO, which is the past tense. First we will discuss what is a tense. Tense is a change of form in a verb to express the time of an action. Verb जो कि action word है, tense हमें बताता है, क्या बताता है? It expresses कि कौन सा काम कब हुआ, presently हुआ या past में हुआ. In this lesson we are going to discuss the past tense, so we will discuss the past tense here. Let's move forward. Past tense refers to a verb tense that expresses action for a state in the past. Past tense हमें उस action, उस काम के बारे में बताता है जो कि past में हो चुका है, जो कि completely done हो चुका है past में. It is a verb form that show action that has already taken place. ऐसा काम जो कि पहले से हो चुका है past में. The simple past tense describes actions and states that began and ended at a specific time in the past. Simple past tense हमें क्या बताता है कि कोई भी काम past में शुरू हुआ और एक specific time पे वो past में ही खत्म हो गया. For example, she read the book last Sunday. अब last Sunday को काम हुआ है reading book. She read the book last Sunday. Last Sunday को उसने किताब पढ़ी. Action started and completed in the past. Past, action started and action finished. More examples, she played volleyball last Saturday. अब उसने volleyball कब खेली? Last Saturday को. The action is done, taken place, हो चुका है ये काम. Played. See? ED here. Regular verbs में हम जब past tense में change करेंगे तो action में verb में की पहली फॉर्म के साथ ed का एडिशन करेंगे. I went to the market. अब यहां पर ed का एडिशन नहीं करना है, no, because this is irregular. went की फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या है? go. went सेकेंड और इसकी थर्ड फॉर्म है gone. तो ये क्या है? irregular है. इसकी सारी फॉर्म्स जो हैं चेंज होती हैं. और जो रेगुलर वर्ब है उसमें हम ed लगाते हैं या सिर्फ d टू मेक इट सेकेंड फॉर्म, जैसे कि यहां पर है played. I went to the market में मार्केट गया मतलब वो जा चुका है, चला गया. सारा lived in Lahore for 5 years. सारा किधर रहती थी? लाहौर में. lived. कितने साल सारा लाहौर में रही थी? 5 साल. तो ये एक्शन क्या है? डन हो चुका है. went, played, lived is the second form of verb and it is the simple past tense. Subject सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट आएगा आपका, इज सिंपल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई टुक टी. टुक इज द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ टेक. आई टुक टी, मैंने चाय ली. द एक्शन इज डन. द पर्सन हैज टेकन टी. ही इज सेइंग दैट आई टुक टी. चाय ली जा चुकी है. एक्शन पास में डन हो चुका है. मोर एग्जाम्पल्स आर, इट स्टॉप्ड रेनिंग. स्टॉप्ड आपका क्या है? सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. दे इन्वाइटेड देयर फ्रेंड्स. शी वॉक टू स्कूल. They watched a film. Junior arranged a farewell party for the seniors. I wrote a letter. You solved a sum. These all circle words are action and it is the second form of verb, and all these sentences are in past simple tense. Do you know about regular and irregular verbs in past tense? These are the regular verbs in which we add ed and d to make it second form of verb, like needed, posted, shouted, talked, walked, played, asked, moved, loved, closed, danced, arrived. Irregular verbs are go, went, do, did, say, said, see, saw. There is no addition of d or ed here. Eat, ate, drive, drove, make, made, drink, drank. This is your activity of your textbook. Past tense. Fill in the blanks using the correct past tense from the box. All the blanks you have to fill here by using the correct form of verb. Past में ये सारा हो चुका है वाक्या. अब आपने इसको क्या करना है? इसमें से correct form of verb यहाँ से लेनी है, इस word bank में से, और इन blanks को fill करना है to complete the whole paragraph. A famous cricketer come. अब come की आपने second form लिखनी है. came to our class. He speak की second form है spoke. To ask about his matches, he, yes, told. Told is the second form of tell us how to keep fit. He said. Said is the second form of say. That he, yes, drank a lot of milk. Then he took us out in the ground to play cricket with him. I thought it was wonderful. I caught my friend out when he was leaving. We sang a song for him. Later we, what is the second form of write? Yes, wrote him a letter to thank him for coming. Okay, this is your writing corner. At the end, think of a visitor who came to your school. आपने किसी भी visitor के बारे में सोचना है जो आपके स्कूल आया, जिसने आपके स्कूल को विजिट किया हो. Write 2 sentences in the past tense about the visitor. This is your home task. आपने उस विजिट के बारे में 2 sentences लिखने हैं पास्ट टेंस में, जिस तरह के यहां पर यूज हुए हैं पास्ट टेंस. सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करनी है आपने. सिर्फ आपने क्या करना है, 2 sentences लिखने हैं अबाउट द पर्सन हु विजिटेड योर स्कूल इन द पास्ट. And this is your home task from workbook. For each sentence you have to choose the right option here. And this is your second activity. Read the following passage and mark the suitable verbs. You can take help from your siblings. अब आपने जो है ये पढ़ना है पैराग्राफ, और ब्रैकेट्स में जो वर्ड्स दिए गए आपने एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ब जो है चूज करना है फॉर द सेंटेंस. वी इज और आर वॉचिंग टीवी. अब वी क्या है, प्लूरल है, तो इसके लिए इज नहीं यूज होगा. यस, वी आर वॉचिंग टीवी. आर इज द राइट ऑप्शन हियर. और हैज और हैव का आप कैसे यूज करेंगे? हैव आपका आएगा आई, यू, वी, दे और एनी प्लूरल फॉर्म, प्लूरल नाउन के लिए. और हैज आएगा आपके लिए कोई भी नेम, पर्सन, ही, शी और इट के साथ. You have to read this paragraph and choose the right form of verb in the bracket. Question number 4. Make past form of the verbs by adding ed. Ask your eldest sister to help you. What you need to do, you have to add ed to these words to make it the second form of verb, the past form. Simple as that. You just have to add ed to all the words to make it the second form. This is your homework from textbook. You have to read this poem and identify the second form of verb in this poem. Till next lesson, Allah Hafiz and thank you.